this video guide, I will show with you step by step how to activate your ABN AMRO debit card. So friends, if you want to activate your debit card, follow me on this video guide. First step, log in your account with your all details, such your ID and password. Log in with your ID and password. This is the first step. After that, you will see this dashboard from your account here. As you can see here, this is the dashboard. After logging your account, you will see this dashboard here. All you have to do, guys, when you log in your account from here, just enter your call this number 080002400721. After that, calling this number, enter your last 9 digits of your account number, and then enter your 3 digits of your card number. After that, enter your 12-digit activation code you can find in your letter. After that, your card has been activated successfully. So guys, also you can activate your debit card. You have to by paying with your debit card in shop. Use this card in shop, or you can withdrawing money at the ATM. So guys, this is all way to activate your debit card. You can also use the shopping to activate your debit card. If you have any question down below in the comments, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.